My mum and dad both died of complications associated with dementia in their 70s. As a result of that, I had kind of made a sort of tacit assumption that I would be more at risk in my, I thought in my later years. So when I paid for a DNA, a separate sort of private sector DNA test, I wasn't surprised by the fact that the test showed that I had a raised, albeit a slightly raised risk of having dementia. The generation trial's only been going for a relatively short time. I think I'm the first trialist. I'm the guinea pig and the pioneer. As a kind of former academic and someone who's kind of interested in I've got a kind of a wide interest in all sorts of things. I found it really interesting all the way through this process just to be part of something like this that I'd never done before. So from a medical point of view, it's been kind of fascinating, having MRI scans and PET scans and lumbar punctures and blood tests and conversations with the consultants here and the staff about all sorts of different things. So from that point of view, it's been really interesting and dare I say enjoyable. I've enjoyed the process. My eldest son died of motor neuron disease 4 or 5 years ago. So part of the reason, or one of the main reasons I'm doing this is also to honour his memory, because he also got involved in a clinical trial while he was ill. So he and in some ways he's inspired me to do this, but also I just feel like I want to give something back in that sense. So there are kind of side effect benefits, if you like, to me. I'm having regular health checks, getting regular feedback on my bloods, on my blood pressure, on my weight, on all of those sorts of things, which are, I suppose, interesting and collateral, if you like, collateral benefit. But I want to give something back, really, and in my son's memory and also for others, really.